Hello everyone. Welcome to the tutorial on best charting tools for analysis on FIRE's web. Every seasoned trader in financial markets relies on charting tools for studying and analyzing charts before taking or initiating their trades. While there are many charting tools available, most traders follow or use tools individually or in combination, depending on what suits their style and works well for them. FIRE's web provides several charting tools that one can use for studying and analyzing various aspects of a trend. Besides the frontline developments or news flows, these tools help in validation and confirmation of trends, identify reversals, support and resistance, and help generate trades. In this video, I am going to talk about some of my favorite tools I use and which helps me in selecting or taking good trades. So, let's get started. Trend lines. Trend lines are straight lines that connect one support with another support or one resistance with other resistance. Trend lines are the oldest, the most used, and the most effective way of identifying the trend. They show direction and speed of price and also describe patterns during periods of price contraction. Channels. Channels consist of two lines, one connecting support and other parallel lines connecting resistance. The line connecting the resistance is called the upper band of the channel. The lines which connect the support is called the lower band of the channel. A channel helps immensely in identifying the momentum or the velocity of the trend. Fibonacci retracement. Before I explain what Fibonacci retracement is, let's first understand what Fibonacci number is. Fibonacci number is based on something called the golden ratio. Start a sequence of numbers with 0 and 1. Then keep adding the prior two numbers to get a number string like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, with the string continuing indefinitely. The Fibonacci retracement levels are all derived from this number string. Fibonacci retracement is used to identify retracement levels following the price advance or the price decline. They are the horizontal lines that indicate where support and resistance are likely to occur. The most commonly used ratios include 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%. Fibonacci extension. Fibonacci extensions are a tool that traders use mostly to establish profit targets or estimate how far a price may travel after a retracement or pullback is finished. Extension levels are also possible areas where the price may reverse. Common Fibonacci extension is 61.8%, 100%, 161.8%, 200%, and 261.8%. Andrew pitchfork. Andrew's pitchfork is a technical indicator that uses 3 parallel trend lines to identify possible levels of support and resistance, as well as potential breakout and breakdown levels. The indicator uses trend lines that are created by selecting 3 points at the start of the confirmed trends, higher or lower. This is achieved by placing the points at 3 consecutive peaks and troughs. Once the points are in place, a straight line that denotes the median line is drawn from the first point through the midpoint between the upper and the lower points. Upper and lower trend lines are then drawn parallel to the median line. We hope this was useful and it helps you understand how different tools work. As I mentioned earlier, these are my favorite tools. You can have your own favorite tools which will work best for you. Thanks for watching.